Hi guys, in this video we're going to take a look at scrolling images. One of the great features and functions of the EziWeb software is scrolling images. If you want to display logos of clients or different brand affiliations at the bottom of your website and have them scroll through, you can. It's quite easy. You can also link to a separate website in a new window or a separate page from your website, or you can link to another page using the same window. So let's take a look how it's done. In the back end of your EziWeb console, you'll see a tab called Scrolling Images. Once you've clicked in that, you'll have the functionality come up to control the Scrolling Images section. Now, the first tab, Scrolling Images, gives a list of all of your current images. If you have a look at the front, we'll see the Apple Store, the University of South Australia, Flight Centre, the complete logo are all, and the Cook and Building and Development are all in the back end. Now, if we want to add a new one, we can, and you can add as many as you like. The easy way to do that is to click the Add New Image button. Have a look that we need to create an image of this size. All right, so the suggestion here is to use your Canva software. If you haven't done the Canva training, do that. Use your Canva software, create a template using the custom dimensions, 150 by 55, which is exactly what we're telling you to create here, and click Design. Okay, that will give you this white area here, this template, which is basically, if we have a look in the back end here, under Scrolling Images, you'll see here the Flight Centre logo is placed on that white template. Okay, so go back to Canva, upload the image that you're wanting to place onto that template, and I've just recently downloaded the ones that we need, so let's have a look. Downloads. Take a bit to download. There's a fair few there on my desktop. You can see it's waiting. There we go. So we have General Plaster. You'll see here it starts uploading to your Canva software. Nice watermark shows you how far it's complete. Once that's complete, you can then click on the logo and it'll place itself on that template. You can see how that's quite pixelated at the moment. You want to make sure that the quality of logo or imagery that you're using is reasonably high quality to start with. So you might need to go back to the supplier and ask them to supply a better quality image, or you source yourself a better quality image. Let's just go with this for the time being. This is what we've got for now. So once that's there on your Canva dashboard, you will need to label that. So we'll label this General Plasterboard Repairs logo. Done. It now changes the name here, and we can download that. For web, we recommend PNG, transparent background, ticket in this case. It downloads. Okay, you'll see down here it's now downloaded. So that'll be in our downloads folder. We then go to the website, add new image, choose the file, find it on your downloads, and you'll see here the General Plasterboard Repairs logo. Now, image link, we're not going to link to anything, all right, so we don't need to tick anything there. In image order, we remember it was number 6, so add the scrolling image. Don't worry, you can reorder all this later. There's the logo that comes up, all right, and if we look at the front and refresh, you should see this logo now appear. There it is. You might need to get a better quality logo in this case, but that's how you upload a new image or logo to the Scrolling Images section. One last thing before we go. In the Design tab, you'll see here there's some content just above the Scrolling Images section. Now you can not show anything here if you don't want to, or you can say our clients or something to that nature in that section. That is totally up to you. And that's how easy it is to use the scrolling images function on the EziWeb software.